I've been often asked how do I get parts made and where do I get them done, or how do you get parts that no longer exist. In the main, most things can be done, most things can be repaired, and most things can be manufactured. Well, a good example of that is that panel there. There was 2 panels missing off the back of the machine when they bought the machine. This is the other panel on the side. That was missing as well. So what they did, you can take measurements, or as I did with this one, was a template. So I made a template out of 3 sheets of photocopying paper, marked out the holes on the machine. The machine is about 5 miles from here, so it's easier to make a template and make an accurate one as possible. And the end result is from a bit of metal with a 2mm plate is a new back cover. So it's quite straightforward to do. I've got the semi-rotary pump working. This is for the fuel supply. You can pump it straight out of a 45-gallon drum into the fuel tank of the machine. This particular pump is a number 2, which is come off a scrapped railway locomotive, so it'll be going back onto a machine with a railway connection. So it's worked out fine. I repaired it, I got it working fine, tested it, so that'll be fitted to the machine. That'll actually be fitted to the cover, which is over here. It'll be bolted to this cover onto there. So this will be facing up that way as the top. This is the inspection hatch for the hydraulic oil filter. So that'll be bolted to the machine. Semi-rotary bolted to this. The pipe, there'll be 2 pipes, one larger diameter coming from the base of the pump, which would be this one here, so that this end, rubber hose fitted on the end here, would go into the 45-gallon drum. And this is the pipe I made up, which goes from the top of the pump to the fuel tank. And that's how it was done in those days. But if the machine goes to shows, there's one little bit of a problem these days, because fuel is so expensive. In theory, that if you don't immobilise this pump, it could be used by people to steal your own fuel out of your fuel tank. So this one can pump quite a bit, can pump pretty fast. So that's the position at the moment. I've got bits and pieces to fit. When I get 5, it's going to be a busy week next week. I got at my mother's tomorrow morning, almost a day. Tuesday I'm a meeting with my brother-in-law. Looking forward to that. Wednesday, free day. Thursday, meeting up with my fellow workmates from Canton. So another week is booked up. But be glad to get all these bits on soon. And I'm going to sort out the rest of the items I need for the engine. But it's all getting there, a bit at a time. So till next time.